Hello, it's Anton, and today you will learn about youth organizations in Britain and the United States and practice your listening skills. Let's go. There are approximately 21 million young people in the USA and approximately 11 million in the UK. There are many youth organizations, especially for college students, which are called clubs or societies. But before we start, what is a student society? Let's learn some new words to describe it. To begin with, a society is another name for an organization or club in a college or school. It unites people with the same interest. As a student or teen, you may also belong to a non-political or charitable organization. The first one is not connected to politics, while the second one is about helping others. If you belong to an organization, you are a member of it. Or you may say that you participate in some projects. Different organizations deal with different problems. For example, Greenpeace deals with ecological ones. Now, what about societies in the UK? Let's find out from the Zoom interview with British young people what clubs they belong to. After the interview, pause the video and choose true, false, or doesn't say. Hello everyone! Today we have a special interview with students of Sheffield College in the UK who will tell us about clubs and societies you can join there.
First of all, I'm a fan of sports, so I belong to the cycling club. Sheffield is one of the best cycling locations in the country. More and more people want to join our club, which is great.
I am a member of the Turkish Society. I joined it because I'm interested in Turkey and its culture. I learned Turkish, so the society gives me a chance to talk to native speakers.
In our small drama club, we stage many famous plays and simply have fun. I like it because it gave me a chance to meet so many great people and have much fun together.
I like helping others. So I joined the Youth Stop AIDS Society to raise awareness of AIDS among the youth. I'm glad that our university gave me a chance to participate in such projects.
Ready? Here are the answers. 1. Max joined the cycling club because the university is one of the best cycling locations in the country. False. 2. More and more people want to join sport clubs because of different clubs and societies. Doesn't say. 3. The Turkish society gives an opportunity for Maria to learn Turkish language. False. 4. Sophia thinks that the drama club is fun. True. 5. The goal of Youth Stop AIDS Society is to help others. False. Great job! Do you think that such societies are different in the USA? Here's a short interview with a college student from the USA. Pay attention to it and try to find out the answers to the questions.
Tell me, are films about American universities true? There are only cheerleaders, football players, and drama clubs where everyone sings.
No, that's just a part of the whole picture. Let's start with the basic and well-known organization, Boy Scouts.
Is it truly so popular as they say?
Well, there are more than 2 million youth members between the ages of 5 and 21, and thousands of volunteers. Their mission is to prepare young people to make ethical and moral choices over their lifetimes.
Why is it Boy Scouts? Does it mean no girls allowed?
No, there are girls. There's another organization which is called Girl Scouts. You've probably seen them in films selling cookies for charity.
Now, let's answer the questions. 1. What is the name of a well-known American youth organization? Boy Scouts. 2. How many young people belong to Boy Scouts? More than 2 million. 3. What is the age of Boy Scouts? From 5 till 21 years old. 4. Are there any girls? Yes. 5. What are Girl Scouts known for? Selling cookies for charity.
What about college students?
If we speak about non-political organizations, they mostly include academic, sports, media, social, cultural, artsy, and many other clubs.
Can you give an example of an academic club?
They are very popular in college and are usually based on an area of study. For example, if you study math, you can join a math club. It may help you to connect with other students in the same major and even be useful to your employment after graduation.
Wow, sounds great! What about clubs connected more with hobbies?
There are plenty of those. If you have an active lifestyle, you can join cheerleaders, a football club, a rugby team, theater, art club, and so on. This is what I like about clubs. You can do whatever is interesting for you. I was a journalist for a campus newspaper and a member of a UNICEF club, which is a charitable organization that helps children.
Are environmental organizations popular among young Americans?
Quite. Greenpeace, for example. They deal with urgent ecological problems and protests against nuclear weapon tests, sea and soil pollution, etc.
And the last question, what is your favorite thing about those clubs?
I suppose that there are so many of them that anyone can choose something for themselves, and that they are available almost in every college and school.
And the final questions. 1. What is an academic club? A club that is based on area of study. 2. How can it be useful for a student? It may be useful for communicating with other students and employment after graduation. 3. What clubs did the student belong to? A campus newspaper and a UNICEF club. 4. What environmental organization is popular in the USA? Greenpeace. 5. What are the advantages of youth clubs according to the student? Anyone can choose something for themselves. So, where are the clubs better? In the UK or the USA? And what club would you join? So today we've learned some new words and facts about the life of young people in Britain and the United States. Don't forget about the materials for the lesson and see you in the next video. Bye!